Hello students, today in this video I am going to discuss about light, chapter 15. Topics to be covered: light, property of light, ray and beam, reflection of light and different types of mirrors. What is light? Light is a source of energy. Students, can you see in a completely dark room? Of course not. So what make it possible for us to see and recognize different colors? And it is light. Property of light. The property of light that it travel in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. So what is rectilinear propagation of light? It's a phenomena in which light travel in a straight line. The property of light that it travel in straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. You can see in this activity all the three holes are linearly arranged. Then you can see the candle light. And if they are not linearly arranged, you cannot see. Ray and beam. The direction in which light energy travel in a medium is called a ray of light. It is represented by a straight line with an arrow on it, and many light rays together to form a beam of light. It can be studied and seen when a torch is flashed or sunlight enter our room. A group of light rays that travel parallel to each other, converge at a point or diverge from a point is called a beam of light. It can be seen when a torch is flashed or sunlight enter our room or in lighthouses. Reflection of light. Light always travel in a straight line but bounce back when it fall on an object. The bouncing back of light from the surface of an object is called reflection of light. What is reflection of light? It's a phenomenon in which light rays, after striking on any object, bounce back. All types of surfaces reflect light. We see objects around us because these objects reflect light into our eyes. You can see in this slide plane mirror and incident ray. What is incident ray? The ray which come from a source of light is called incident ray. And after striking the mirror, the ray which bounce back is reflected ray. And the central line normal is an imaginary line. So angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, and angle between reflected ray and normal a angle of reflection. There are two types of reflection: regular reflection and irregular reflection. Regular reflection will appear as smooth surface, and irregular reflection shows rough surface on rough surface. In irregular reflection, all the light rays after bouncing back scattered. Laws of reflection. The incident ray and the reflected ray behave in predictable ways, which leads to the two laws of reflection. The first one is angle of incidence equal to the angle of reflection. Means if the angle between normal and incident ray is 30 degree, then angle between normal and reflected ray is also 30 degree. And the second one is the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. Mirrors. Polished object reflect more light compared to rough object. A mirror has a smooth polished surface on one of its sides. It can reflect almost the entire amount of light that falls on it. Any object with a smooth or polished surface such as still water or a steel plate act like a mirror. There are three types of mirror: plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave and convex mirror are a spherical mirror. Plane mirror. Plane mirror are the one which you used in your daily life when you dress up. जब आप अपने घरों में इसको डेली यूज करते हो, जैसे ड्रेसिंग टेबल में. Image formed by plane mirror. The characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror are: image is virtual. You can't take on screen. The image is upright. The image formed has the same size as the object. The image is far behind the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. The object and the image is perpendicular to the mirror. The image is laterally inverted, means left to right inversion. You might have observed that the word ambulance is written sideways, inverted or laterally inverted on the vehicle. This is done so that the driver moving ahead of the ambulance look in rear view mirror of their vehicle and read the word correctly ambulance written on and make a way for it. Therefore, lateral inversion is the effect in which images seem to have their side interchanged and letter and word look as if they have been written backward. So, कौन कौन सी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बनी जो इमेज की जो प्लेन मिरर में बनती है? द फर्स्ट वन इज वर्चुअल, मतलब आप इसको स्क्रीन पे नहीं ले सकते हो. द इमेज सीधी होती है एंड द सेम साइज एज द ऑब्जेक्ट, मतलब जितन ऑब्जेक्ट जिस चीज का इमेज बन रहा है वो जिस साइज का है, इमेज भी उसी साइज का बनेगा. And the image is far behind the mirror as the object in front of the mirror. मतलब आप मिरर से जितनी दूरी पे खड़े हो, जिस ऑब्जेक्ट जितनी दूरी पे है, उसका इमेज भी मिरर के बिहाइंड उतनी दूरी पे बनेगा. एंड आप लेफ्ट का राइट दिखता है एंड राइट का रेड. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड लैटरली इन्वर्टेड, योर लैटरल इन्वर्टेड. कॉन्केव मिरर. Concave mirror, a mirror that is curved with its reflecting surface inside and is called concave mirror. The concave mirror is also called a converging mirror because all the light rays falling on its reflecting surface after reflection converge and meet at one point. Therefore, the image formed by a concave mirror is usually a real image. मीन्स कॉन्केव मिरर में जब लाइट रेज रिफ्लेक्टेड होने के बाद एक ही पॉइंट में जाके सारी मिल जाती है तो वहां पे रियल इमेज बनता है. एंड यूजेज ऑफ द कॉन्केव मिरर: शेविंग मिरर, मेकअप मिरर, डेंटल मिरर मीन्स डेंटिस्ट यूज्ड कॉन्केव मिरर, कार हेडलाइट्स मिरर. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. Convex mirror, a mirror that is curved with its reflecting surface outside and inner side is polished, is called convex mirror. The convex mirror is also called a diverging mirror because all the rays falling on its reflecting surface after reflection diverge and appear to meet at one point when produced backward. Therefore, the image formed by a convex mirror is always a virtual image. You can't take on screen. डाइवर्जिंग मीन्स जब रेज रिफ्लेक्टिंग होने के बाद सारे स्कैटर्ड हो जाते हैं, वो एक जगह नहीं मिलते हैं, तो इमेजिनरी लाइन खींच के हम उसे ऐसा लगता है कि वो बैकवर्ड साइड में जब इमेजिनरी लाइन खींच के उसे मिलाते हैं तो वहां पे वर्चुअल इमेज बनता है. यूजेज ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर आर यूज्ड एज साइड मिरर इन कार, स्कूटर एटसेट्रा. Convex mirror has a wider view to help driver to see traffic behind them. Thank you for watching.